In this video, I will show you how to clear the cache on macOS. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. You should clear cache on Mac to optimize its performance, else it will be very slow. This cache is generated whenever you open any applications or text file or any images, and these just takes up the space. And you really need to clear the cache periodically. So let's get started. Open the Finder and click on Go To. Click on the Go To folder. Here you just need to type ~library/caches. I have also given this path in the description below. You can just copy and paste it here. After pasting here, just click enter. So now you will see that this is the cache folder of your Mac. To select all, click the Command A button, or alternatively just go to Edit and select all. Right click on it and click on Move to Bin. So this is how you can clear the cache from your Mac. In order to delete from bin as well, you just need to right click it and click on the empty bin. When it's asked for the confirmation, click on the empty bin and everything will be deleted from your Mac. So this is how you can clear the cache on Mac OS. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.